Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing my first proper video of the year. I've only done shorts videos so far and they don't really count as videos as such. But today I'm going to be doing a tutorial. This is how to build a Lego micro house. It's not minifigure scale, but it looks like a house. It's convincing. You don't need too many bricks for it. You've got a back garden here. It's got doors, windows, a chimney, and it looks like a realistic house in my opinion. So I'm going to be showing you how to build this today. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, take a 1x6 and a 1x2, leave a 2 brick gap between them where you place the door, which is a long window in the shape you can see there. Repeat this on the other side with a 1x6 brick in between them. Continue stacking them. Put 2 1x1s on either side of the door, and in the remaining space put your window pieces. Put 2 on one side and 1 on the other if you want a design like this. That's what's common in the UK. Do the same on the back, except don't place windows on one half, only on the other. We don't want it to be completely symmetrical, otherwise it would just look weird. And we're now going to start stacking corner bricks to hold the structure together. The corner bricks are not a mandatory part of the build, it's just to hold the structure together, but you can do that nice and simply. You probably know how to do that already, which is just stack the bricks on opposite ways to opposite directions to the previous bricks below them. So where the bricks are stacked vertically, you would stack the next brick horizontally, if you know what I'm talking about. We now put the next windows 1 brick above, but exactly parallel, just above the windows below at the front, and then at the back place 2 windows on either side of the house. There you go. It's not normally symmetrical house in the UK, and from front to back. Then place the next row of bricks above it, and then this is when we start with the roof plates. So there's the first row, and you get the idea. Just stack them on top of each other, and of course put your bricks in between to make sure it doesn't just look empty and hollow on that row. You probably get what I'm doing, so I'm going to skip this part to the end. So we have got a house now, but it looks a bit bare, so we're going to take 2 trees and 1 flower piece, put it at the back. Then at the front, take 2 of these leaf pieces, modern leaf pieces, and we're going to take this relatively nice lamp piece that I recycled from a previous mock here, and it's simple. Just take 1 rounded 1x1 piece, a clear 1x1 piece, and then 1 of those frisbee pieces on top. Then take 2 rounded cone 1x1 pieces and put them on the roof of the building. So that is everything that we need for this particular design of house. So let's do a tour of the garden as well. There you go, from all angles of the house. You can't do that much with a house of this size, but I think we've pretty much maxed it out, and when it's got details it looks a lot bigger than it really is, I've found with these houses. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video, and then that way you can support the channel and I'll keep tutorials going like this. Also, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye!